How to fix Yahoo Mail problems on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Yahoo Mail problems on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here type Yahoo Mail, click on it and then click force stop. Now go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here, click on it, click allow, and then storage and allow, and that's it. Give it all of those, and now go back, go to Play Store, make sure your Yahoo Mail is updated, and that's it. Then restart your phone and try again, and your problems will be fixed. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.